Hello dear friends, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. Today I'll share some more tools which can be used in GeoGebra and further it can be enrich our teaching and we can use as a teaching aid. So without wasting time, let us proceed. So I have opened a new page. Here the left side is LW view and this is graphic view. Here I have discussed about this menu bar file. You can open a new file. You can open a previously saved file. We can also save. You can save the file online. You can save to your computer also. So if you are working offline, you can save the file to your computer, or you can also save online so that you can GeoGebra website you can make an account and you can preserve all your work there. You can export this image as image, you can download, you can print it, you can use other things also. So you can explore the menu bar, you can learn so many things. So I have opened a new one, and what I want to say first, see, I don't need the graphics today. So this graph paper is not needed for me. So what I'll do, I'll click here with this triangle and circle. Just see here, these grids are there. I can check it. Here see the plain one, that means white, blank one. I'll click on blank. Then this only axes are there. I can also omit this axis by clicking on here. Just see, I'm getting a blank page like our whiteboard. So here today I'll measure some angle. I will draw a polygon, especially I'm drawing a triangle. Then I'll measure the angles and I'll format the angles also. So here this line, polygon and this all points all are called objects. So I am taking first this triangle, I am taking this polygon, regular polygon, rigid polygon, vector polygon. I am taking just polygon and you can see I am drawing a polygon. Just click on anywhere, click, you will get a triangle. You can draw a quadrilateral also. You can play with it, you can learn so many things when you will sit. So here this on the algebra view again all the components are shown. So C small c, capital A, B, D, A, B, C, D are points and small c are line segments as we use in geometry. So here I am repeating this same tool yesterday's. I don't need this A, B, C written here. So what I'll do, I'll go this small a. Where is my small a? Small a is here. I'm formatting this. So I'll click here. Then what I'll do, I'll go for setting. Okay, in the setting, what I'll do, I will omit this show label. Just see, when I clicked on this small a, this menu came here. Basic, I mean the basic tools. So here I'll uncheck the show label. That means it will not show any name. Similarly, I am going for B and here also I will uncheck the show label. So B is deleted. Then I'll go for C. Click on this and here on the right side you will see C and I will again uncheck the show label so it will not show anything. So this is a triangle. Similarly for the quadrilateral, for the quadrilateral, you can draw a pentagon, you can draw a hexagon, as you like. So ABC by default, when ABC is finished, it gives you D, E, F, G. Again, pentagon A, B, C, D. You to start from E, F, G, D, E, F, G. Finished, it will start from H. Not in the other page, it will open a new page, again it will start from ABC. So after getting this polygon ABC, I don't need this quadrilateral, only I am using this angle A, angle B, angle C. Today we will learn how to find the angle A, B, C, or how to use angle 2. So I'll go for this. Another thing I may forget to say, suppose when you don't need this algebra view, you can click here so that it will be tool will not be there, or you can go here. Just see what when you are getting to view, just see algebra view, I'll uncheck. That means there will be no algebra view. But algebra view, as we are beginners, we need algebra view to format these points, point, line, that means objects. Next I'll go to another interesting thing. Just see, I want to move this triangle. So I'll go to the move tool. This is extreme left, there is a arrow that is move tool. So I'll move it. I'll click on move to see how interestingly I can move all the points. I can move all the points. I can move all the points. Okay. Next is, similarly for quadrilateral, you can move. You can make it convex, you can make it concave, you can make a square, you can make a parallelogram. So it will develop the skills also. Next is to measure the angles of A, B, C. So for the time being, I am showing how to save this, and I'll open a new file. So I'll go for file 1. Here, click on file, then save to your computer. When I'll save, it will showing me by default desktop. So I'll give a name. I am giving name Polygon. So I saved it. So again I'll open a new file. It is asking me, do you want to save the changes? I am saying discard. That means it will again give me the new page, and how to remove this graph page. I'll go here. This is giving this color, and if I click here, it is giving, I don't want this grids, I don't want the axis, so I am getting a blank page. So I am taking again the polygon tool, and I am drawing a triangle. So I don't need this ABC, so I'll go to this settings, uncheck B. Even suppose, just see, due to the incompatibility of this software and your computer, sometimes we may not have the control over this cursor, so unnecessarily one point is marked here. So immediately do Ctrl plus G from your keyboard, automatically it will, that means it is your undo. You can use this one also. For C, show level, I am not showing the level. For B, next uncheck. For C, it will be unchecked. So next job is to find the angle. I'll go for the angle here. So I click on the first one. I will measure the angle. So once I click on one of the line. That means suppose I want the angle A, so I'll click on AB. You can see there is a prominent line. Next is I'll click on AC. The C, it is showing a angle outside because it couldn't understand what I am saying, which angle I am asking. So I will format this. I'll format this angle object. Just if you'll see the algebraic view, this green one is the angle. It is naming your alpha. It is BAC. It is 297 degrees centigrade. Very sorry. Then I'll go for the settings. When I'll go for the settings, you will see on the right side there will be a menu. So what I'll do here, I'll go for the show label. I don't want this alpha to be printed and only the angle I want. And this angle between 0 and 360 degree option was there by default. So I'll make into 0 and 180 degree, this middle one. You see, it will be showing the angle, inside angle, acute angle. So now next is what I'll do. This is 62.3 degree. I don't need 0.3. I will round up it into whole numbers. So I'll go to click here, so that I'll go for the settings, first menu, then setting. You will see that language is by default US. Rounding is 1 decimal place. I'm clicking it to make it 0 decimal. So immediately you will see that it is 62 degree. You can save settings also. Next, this font size also I can change. I can make it 24. Just see it is changing. If I am making this font size will be 16, it will be small. Again, I am making 28, it will be bigger. So to show it prominently, I have made this one, and I will save the setting so that it will be always, whenever I will work, it will show 28. Next is where I'll go. I don't need this alpha. I'll only 62 degrees. So I'll click on setting again. Here show the label, but I'll take only the value. So it will be 62 degree. And you can see that the 62 is very close to the angle. I want it the bigger one. So I'll go to style. In the style, I'll click on this, see how big it is becoming. So this 62 also I can take outside. How? Sorry, again Control Z. So 62 I can go to move, and on the click I can take it outside. So it will be prominent or it will be visible. One angle is done. Next I'll go for the second angle. For the second angle, I'll measure the size. CA and CB. The same thing. So I'll click on this one. Now you have already learned something, so you can do very quickly. Size is your 30 degrees, so it is bigger. Then I'll go for the basic. In the basic, this level I'll show only the value and the angle between when I'll take this 0 to 180 degree. This decimal I have done already round up, so it is not showing into point anything. Next I am going to third angle. So once on BA, once on CA exactly. So it is showing us 65 degree. I go to, this is gamma. I go to show label only the value, and the style is slightly bigger. This is the angle. Okay, nice. Then magic comes. Magic. What's it? The C. We have got three angles. One is 65, one is 62, one is 53. I'm moving a little bit so that it can be 50. Now actual magic of GeoGebra will be visible, or you can appreciate. Now, what is the sum of these three angles? 65 plus 62 plus 53. How much it will be? 180 degree? Yes. The sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We can show to the students. It can be used as a teaching aid. Now I'm changing this angle myself. Just see. When dragging, pulling, but whatever will be the position, you can say that, we can see that approximately sum is equal to 180 degrees. Sometimes it will be 181, or most of the time, because I have round off into whole numbers. Otherwise, if you do decimal exactly, it will be give you 180 degree. So this is a nice thing. Similarly, for a quadrilateral, you can prove that the sum is always 360 degree. So we have finished input bar and point and line here. And next is I am drawing an angle with a given size. So I click on this. Now I am marking a point. Okay. Another point. It is asking how much angle you will make. Again, it is asking counterclockwise or clockwise. If it is counterclockwise, it will give you this acute angle. If it is clockwise, it will give you the reflex angle. So this is 45 degree. Though it is not giving us complete figure, we have to join it to make an angle. So what I'll take line segment. I'll join E and D. Then I'll join E and D dash. So this angle is equal to, of course, this F and this one. I don't want the name here, so next one I will similarly G I can omit. So 45 degree. You learned it, you can practice this one too. So this angle is 45 degree. Similarly, I can draw 60 degree, or I hope you followed how to move a screen or move an object. I can move an object, just I can move here this angle. So as I made already 45 degree, it is not changing the degree. That means whatever position you will drag it, it will be always 45 degree. But if I draw a angle myself, I am drawing an angle here, this one. Please have patience and see. It takes time sometimes. So this is the angle. This one is HGF angle, and it is showing the reflex angle. This reflex angle I don't want. I need the acute angle. So in the same way, I'll take 180 degree, and it will be only value. So this style to make it a bigger one, a prominent one. You can color this also. I can color this. This is green, red color. You can make color. For the triangle, you can make different colors. Here you can see how interesting. I can change this angle. I can change this angle. Change anywhere. Change this angle. So you can change the angle. You can show as a teaching aid. So this much today. You can practice, and please don't forget to write in the comment section. If anything I have missed, I will certainly clarify. Thank you for watching.